Girl, what happened? Wow, back in. Here we go. Alright, you can do it that way if you want. Now try it again and pay attention this time. Alright. I ain't got nothing to do with me, that was all you. Sit on top of that saddle. And I'll help you ride a little bit better too. Alright, scoot all the way forward. Trust me, you want to sit up right now, don't lean forward. Alright, you can lean forward if you want. Go ahead, just do whatever you want to do. I'll just figure it out as I go. You're in the backing up position right now, so I have to do this. Come on, don't muscle it. You're awful strong for a girl. You're sliding. Get back up there. What are you doing? That don't look right at all. Yeah, go ahead, ride like that if you want. It's okay. You can do whatever you want. Not really gonna matter. Oh. Look at all that junk back there. What are you gonna do with all that junk, boy? Here, let me share it with the crowd a little bit. Oh. All the way back. Don't hump it, please. That wasn't backwards at all. Goodness gracious. Oh, girl, what are you doing up there? Goodness. It's getting shorter and shorter. You have to be careful. And no popping out, please. Oh, did it already happen? I did something. Oh, girl. And you were concerned about your wig coming off. That's your wig coming off. It's everything else you got to be careful about. Alright. Hang on, here we go. We'll turn it on for you now.
this fine night. Love the beard servant, you need more blood.